Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro1. So let's take a look. The fan comes in multiple colors. The white and the pink version were sent out to me. Opening the packaging, you'll get the user manual, USB-C cable for charging, and also a lanyard. Looking at the website, you can see that there's two versions. There's a Fan Pro 1 and a Fan Pro 1S. The Fan Pro 1S is made of metal, and that comes in dark gray and a pale brown. The Fan Pro 1 comes in four colors. You got the white, the pink, blue, and the green, and that is made of ABS. And looking at the specifications, the weight is 215 grams for the Fan Pro 1 and the Fan Pro 1S is 260 grams. The battery life is 12 hours on the Fan Pro 1 and charge time is 2 to 3 hours. And again, the material is ABS plastic. Taking a look at the fan, you can see it's very small and light. On the front you have the scroll wheel to control the speed. And then you have your LED display here. The back you have the power button along with the USB-C charge port. So turning it on, you want to move the power button up, and then you press down on the scroll wheel here. And then the first display you'll get is the battery level, and then after that it will switch to the air volume speed. So you can control the air volume by just scrolling, and you can see it can go from 1 to 100. You'll immediately notice the airflow is super strong. I mean, if I crank it up here to 100, you can definitely feel that air. Can cool you down in no time. It's not that loud on the 100, it's pretty tolerable. Scrolling it down to speed 1, it's very quiet. I like the fact that you can adjust it to various levels, and it's not just set on like a low, medium, or high. And here's the pink version, turning it on. Same as the white, you can see the display on the front. It will have the battery level, and then it will switch over to the air volume. Taking some brief measurements, you can see that the height is just under 6.5 inches. And the width of the fan, it's about 2.25 inches all around. So I have had other portable fans in the past, and if you compare it to this type of fan, you can see how small this is into comparison. And then as far as the air volume, this definitely hands down will beat any type of fan like this. So my thoughts on the Handheld Fan Pro 1. This is definitely something to get if you're in the market for a handheld fan. It's designed well. You got a nice readout on the front, and you have the variable speed control on the front as well. And the air volume is just tremendous. So it can definitely, like I said earlier, it will cool you down in no time. So that will do it. I left the link in the description box below if you're interested in checking these handheld fans out. And again, this is the JISULIFE Handheld Fan Pro 1.
If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.